All right, so we have gotten to the exchange. We have deposited funds here. If you follow the part one and part two of this tutorial, you should be able to deposit funds by now. And how do you trade? It's very simple. You go to your options, go to trade. We've done that before. Now you come down. Now this is a futures trading. Now the way it works is that you should be able to predict the market. So if you predict that the market will go up, you buy. Now we call it longing. You buy. It's also called longing. Longing, as the market is going up, you'll be making profit. Now if you also sense that the market is going to come down, you sell, which means you are shorting. So you short that coin, and as the market is going down, you'll be making money. So you make money whether the market is going up or down, depending on whether you can predict the next direction of the market, right? So now, having deposited funds, the first thing you need to confirm here is to be sure that your funds are here. Your funds have been deposited. That is very, very important. So you're going to see that's $7, $8, $10. I actually deposited $7 and I've been trading with it. Right. Now, mind you, over here, trading type, you're going to select cross here. Sorry. You're going to select cross. Make sure it's on cross trading. And then leverage is 25x leverage. So make sure it's cross, make sure it's 25x leverage, and then confirm your coin. Now you're ready to buy. Now let's assume that I'm predicting that the market will go up from here, and I want to buy. Okay, it's actually coming down. Sometimes you don't even know what to do. Okay, let's assume we want to short this coin. It's coming down. I want to short the coin. I want to sell. So I'll just click on the last price here, and then I'll move this amount to max. That means I want to put all my $7, or depending on the balance you have, I want to use everything to trade. So I'll just click the last amount here, and I'll shift this max to 100, and then I'll click sell. Mind you, it has sold, it has entered into the markets. It will show you the amount it entered. Now you quickly scroll down. When you scroll down, you're likely to see it in position, under position. Now if you have open orders and you have position, now for open orders is showing, for if the market has not peaked, it will be showing here. Now it shouldn't stay long here, but if the market has peaked, it's going to be showing in position. You can see position one. So immediately you click to check the position. Okay, I'm already making losses. Lost about 0.04 cents almost immediately. So I quickly exit that trade. Don't allow it to start accumulating losses. Now whether you make profit or loss, now make sure your losses are so minimal, except you see it green. The moment it's red, you are at a loss. You should close that trade immediately. So you click on market. That means you're going to close it at market price. That's what it means. So it's going to disappear and exit that trade. Right. Now if you also sense that it's going to go up, we can go to buy. Right, you can go to buy. If I sense it's going to go up, I'll click on the last price here, and I'll just select max. I'll come here, watch it carefully, and I'll select buy. So it's going to actually get into the trade for me. Okay, so I'll quickly scroll down here. I think the network is kind of slow for me, but it's okay. I'm supposed to see it. Okay, it has entered into the trade now. So let's watch what it's going to do. So definitely, as it has entered into the trade, it's going to be under position. The network is a bit slow this morning, so it's going to be under position, and I'll see it under position, right? And then what you need to come down here is to know your position, whether you're making profit or losses. I don't know why the network is so slow this morning. Okay, sometimes you can refresh. Go back to trade again. Can refresh, take it to trade again, and watch what happens. Mind you, I know I've entered the trade. Actually, I've entered the trade. I'll just come down. Okay, right, you can see it now, it's in position. So there's actually a trade running here. Let me see if I'm making profit or losses. That's what I should be checking out right here. All right, I'll scroll down, and then guess what? I'm making some profits now, about 0.0. about 10-cent profit, right? I'm making profit. You can see it here is reading. So when it's red, when it's red, you don't need to bother yourself. Just allow the profits to go. Sorry, when it's green, just allow the profits to go. So just allow it to keep making profit. Except it starts coming down and then you start seeing red. As soon as you see it's red, if it's 0.01, immediately go out of that trade. Go out of that trade. All right, so I'm still monitoring it. I'm still monitoring it. Now, don't be greedy, even if it's green. Okay, it's 12 cents now. It's going. I've gotten 12-cent profit now as the market is kind of dropping. Let's watch it as the market is going up because I'm buying now 13 cents, 12 cents again. Profits, you can see it now. As long as it's green, you have nothing to worry about. All right, 16 cents now, profit 18 cents, is going up 21 cents. I'm in profit right now. So as long as the market is green and is making profit, you can leave it to run, right? You can leave it to run.